Hey guys, welcome back. Now today my son has decided that I just asked him what does he want for lunch while I'm going to get some work done. So he's decided to make a pasta salad. It's a super simple one, and this series is just about making super easy meals, putting them together, which obviously grown-ups can eat because he's going to make one portion for me too, obviously, and kids can make as well. So I am going to take over the camera, and because right now he's behind the camera, so I'm going to take over the camera and I'm going to film him make this very quick but absolutely delicious pasta salad. So first things first, get some boiling water in a pan. I'm getting some more boiling water in a smaller pan as well. Put the bigger pan on the hob, let it bubble up really nicely, and then add lots and lots of salt to it, because you just want a really salty kind of sea salt kind of water for the pasta. And in the other smaller pan, just take a handful of frozen sweet corn. If you have got some fresh, then you could use that too, but I haven't got any fresh right now, so I'm just going to put that in a pan. And in the bigger pan, just add enough pasta for 2 people. So we usually add 4 handfuls, which is 2 handfuls for per person, and then just let it cook until it's nice and soft. I don't like it very al dente because I want it slightly softer than that, but that is totally your choice. And then drain it in sieve. Just drain all the water, because we're not cooking the pasta, so we don't need the pasta water really. And in the same sieve, I'm also going to drain out all the sweet corn that's been sitting in boiling water for 5 minutes. And now it's time to prep the other bits. So just take a nice red pepper and chop it up roughly. Next, going to pour all the pasta and the sweet corn in a large bowl. Also add all the chopped up red peppers to it. इसको नीचे रखो और डाल लो, ऐसे रखो नीचे, उसमें स्कूप आउट कर लो, मतलब नीचे, हाँ ऐसे. Next, the dressing. Just take good 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo, and to that I'm going to add some salt, a sprinkling of salt. You don't need too much, and just a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And also with the salt, I'm going to add some freshly ground black pepper, and that is all just going to blend so nicely. Once you've got all that stuff in the bowl, then you just whisk it up and combine it well before adding it to the bowl of pasta. So the next thing to add to the salad is a bowl of tinned chickpeas. Just drain it, give it a rinse, just make sure you've got rid of all the excess water, and then add these chickpeas into the bowl with all the pasta and other bits. पूरा डालना? How much? Is that enough? डाल सकते हो और. And now it's time for some feta cheese. So I've just got a block, and I don't usually add all of it, but just take as much as you like. Some people like a lot of it, some people don't want too much, and just crumble it up on top of all the rest of the ingredients. Now goes in the dressing into the bowl, and just put all of it into the bowl, and all you have to do is mix it up all really well. And here it is, the pasta salad ready. This is such a fantastic little meal, so quick. It's got lovely little bits in it, and it is just really nice for a packed lunch as well as eating it at home. So he's taken a portion for himself and he's left a portion for me. So I'm going to sit down and tuck into this. This is a really healthy pasta salad. It's got chickpeas, it's got obviously sweet corn and feta and peppers and things. Obviously a little bit of mayo, but everything else is super healthy and delicious. So I am going to put some chili oil in this because that's just going to liven this up for me. But obviously he's having it without the oil. I hope you'll give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll be back again with another quick summer meal recipe. Bye for now. Good. Really good. Well done, Yuvi. Well done.